Hello everyone, welcome back again, and today we will talk about loop, specifically for loops. So what does it mean, and what is the usage of this loop? So if you want to execute a code or a statement in multiple times, for loops can address that issue. So the syntax is for, and then the initializer, the condition, and the iterator. So both initializer and condition separated by semicolon, and then followed by close and open curly brace. So what does it mean, the initializer section? So self-explanatory, that from the word initialize. So where you start. So this is a variable that will be local to your for loop and cannot be accessed to outside loop. So it might be 0, or it can be any number that that your statement that your variable start, and then of course it will increment until such time and your condition will be satisfied. So here another section is condition. The condition is a Boolean expression that will return either true or false. If an expression evaluates to true, then it will execute the loop again. Otherwise, the loop is exited or terminated. Another section is iterator. So iterator, the use of iterator is to iterate, increment or decrement of the loop variable. So that is the use of iterator. So let's take a look at our example. So we have for, and then we initialize our x equals to 0. So we start from 0, and the condition is x less than 10, and our iterator is iterator is incrementing. So it will increment, and then so of course in our code, inside the curly brace, open and close curly brace, is our code to execute. So here the value of x will be printed. So from 0 until such time that the condition will be true. So if our x is 10, is equal to 10, so in our condition is x only less than to 10, not equal to 10. So the loop will be terminated. So it will print from 0 to 9. Okay? So be careful with the relationship of these three sections: initializer, condition, and iterator. So, for example, in our example, if your x is 0 and then you iterate decrement, so there is no chance that the condition would be dissatisfied. So always be satisfied because the x is less than, of course, less than 10. So be careful with that. But if you want to use for loop as infinite, you can remove the initializer, condition, and increment. So it looks like this: for, and then semicolon, and semicolon, and that's how it will infinitely execute. So the control variables for the for loop can be of any numeric data type, so double or decimal. Also, you can use multiple expression like xy equals 0, like that, and then you iterate, of course, you iterate x or you iterate y, what output you desire. So that's it. So for loop also can be nested. So if you want to nested, so you have to put for loop inside the for loops. Okay, so I think in this point you know already the for loops and their sections. So practice using for loops so that you'll experience how to use it, how to the limitation, and of course you familiarize the syntax. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.